Hey YouTubers, Writer Bryn here, and something really exciting today. I got my package from Apple, and this is the new earbuds. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing, or I guess they call them EarPods. Let's go ahead and unbox these. It's going to be kind of an unboxing and a first look. And I ordered them on Wednesday the 12th when they were announced. And today is Friday the 14th. Go. Kind of an interesting package. Alright, and here we go. This is what we've got. We will open these up. Just go ahead and make sure my name and address is on it. It's not. So there we go. EarPod, and here's the box. And here we have packaging. So there's EarPods, and there's a little Apple logo. Remote mic supported by current generation iPod, Nano, iPod, Classic, iPod Touch, iPhone, and iPad. Remote supported by iPod Shuffle. Some earlier generations also supported. See www.apple.com/earphones. And there's a picture on the back. Okay. Very nice packaging. And nice hard plastic case with, can you see that? Yeah, Apple logo on the back, indented. Set that right here. And flip that out. And we have the EarPods with remote and mic book. And the Apple 1-year limited warranty. In there. And it talks about the microphone, volume up, volume down. It looks like the microphone is on the back and then the volume is on the front. And then the center button, whatever the center button is for. The center button is to skip to the next song. Play or pause a song, press the center button once. Skip to the next song, press it twice. Fast forward, press it twice and hold. To go to the previous song, press it 3 times. To rewind, press it 3 times and then hold. To answer or end a call, press the center button once to answer and press it again to end the call. To decline an incoming call, hold down the center button for about 2 seconds, then let go. And to switch to an incoming call on hold or put the current call on hold, press the center button once, press again to switch back. Increase volume, of course, plus and minus. You can use Siri with it using voiceover. You press the center button to hear the song title, artist name. Continue pressing until you hear a tone. You can use the voiceover, so it is good for accessibility, which is good to know. Okay, so we'll put that back together. Set that aside. and take a look at what it is we most want to see, which are these EarPods. And I'm sorry if I have a bad shadow here. Alright, so apparently you're just going to lift that off, plastic case, and this inside is plastic as well, and the cord is wrapped around it. It's a nice little carrying case. Unwrap that. And then here is our center, our button. We've got the center button and the volume button. I just broke a nail while opening that package. And then there's a microphone on the back, and it even has a little microphone picture. And then went one earbud, and there comes the other one. Now, I have trouble with earbuds. Here is the original Apple earbuds, and for some reason they hurt my ears. They hurt my ears, they fall out of my ears, and whatnot. And we'll compare that to these, which have a very interesting design. You can see here the difference. It kind of tapers. These also appear to have a speaker a couple of places. Right. And it appears to be a pretty long cord. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my iPod. This is an iPod Touch 4th generation, and yes, that's my screen protector's coming off because my case doesn't like screen protectors. But anyway, we're going to plug this in here and see if we can adjust the volume here, if we can hear that. And I can definitely hear that. I pressed the middle button and paused it. Double pressed it and fast forwarded it. And actually you can see that on here. The middle button and paused it, and I'm increasing the volume, forward the song, now I'm not going to be able to show you this on video, but I am going to try it on and see how it fits in my ears. And I'm just going to try the right one. Okay, it fits very well. It appears to fit very well. And there is some noise canceling. It is very noise canceling. And it doesn't hurt. It really doesn't hurt. Alright, so that's about it for the iPod, or the new EarPods. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Rate and subscribe. And I like these a whole lot.